Big data and digital business, infonomics and the Internet of Things. Lots of promise, but still a lot of hype and uncertainty. We know about the V's blocking big data insights: volume, variety, velocity, and veracity, and we hear from vendors with new but disjointed technologies to address them. Their problem is with the fifth V, value. First, you have legacy ETL tools. They cost a ton but can't transform fast enough, so you have to push the problem down to the database, making users wait longer on their queries. ELT appliances help your database vendor service the debt on their new hardware company acquisition with their 7-figure box to speed inefficient transforms in their database. In-memory databases and solid-state disk fabrics require you to keep buying more RAM, plus everything else you still need to manage, mask, munge, and mine all your data. Now, of course, are so-called big data technologies like NoSQL and Hadoop, which rely on complex open-source projects and an army of geeks trying to cobble them together. And then there's the analytic vendors who can't integrate much more than a spreadsheet worth of data before crashing, and the self-service BI tools that bypass ETL, which makes data coherent, clean, and compliant. So it's no wonder why small and mid-sized companies don't bother with big data. Larger ones are disillusioned, and multinationals just hide their failures. Fortunately, it's not all bad news. There's now a fast, friendly, complete, and affordable platform addressing all 5 V's from a proven data management and protection vendor you may already know. And if you don't know IRI, you should. Trusted since 1978 by companies processing big data by other names like COBOL datasets, BLDBs, and telco data warehouses, IRI is now offering a total data management platform. The 6th V, Voracity. With an insatiable appetite for data, IRI Voracity consolidates data discovery, integration, migration, governance, and analytics in the graphical IRI Workbench IDE built on Eclipse. That means everyone with a stake in data needs just one GUI to do everything, alone or together, with the same data sources and metadata they can share and secure on-premise or in the cloud. What makes Voracity the best price-performance option for data management are 4 things: speed, which comes from CoSort by default, or Hadoop engines to manipulate data on multiple nodes. Ease of use comes from open, scriptable metadata and multiple ergonomic job design and management options in Eclipse. Voracity is also compatible with Analytics DS Mapping Manager and Lightspeed conversion, so you can move your legacy ETL jobs into Voracity automatically. Versatility is Voracity's most obvious benefit, though, because it delivers all this capability in one product, place, and in many cases, one I/O pass. And in terms of value, Voracity subscriptions are based on total nodes, not cores, users, or data sources. Buy less if you need less, and design in the Workbench GUI for free. So the bottom line is that IRI Voracity is the newest, fastest, simplest, and most affordable platform for enterprise data management. Voracity bends the cost curves of ETL and specialty software and stems the complexity and risk of Apache projects. Blending CoSort, Hadoop, and Eclipse, Voracity combines data discovery, integration, migration, governance, and analytics, fulfilling the promise of big data.